Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. As you exhale, close your eyes all the way down and feel the velvety darkness behind your eyelids. As you gently focus on that velvety darkness, you notice your body relaxes even more deeply, and your mind gently begins to focus. Go ahead and take another nice deep breath in and relax all the little muscles in your face. Relax your jaw, letting it hang loosely and comfortably. Release your neck and your shoulders. Already wonderfully and deeply relaxed. Let your body melt into the surface holding you, and feel how good that feels to gently lean into that surface, allowing your entire body to be held, allowing your mind to open to new ways of being. You have the ability to grow and change. In a moment, I'll count down from 3 to 1, and you'll notice with each and every decreasing number, you become even more wonderfully relaxed and even more powerfully focused. 3, relaxing even more deeply now. 2, feeling safe, calm, and secure. And 1, wonderfully relaxed and powerfully focused. You have made an important decision. You've decided it's time for you to focus on something important to you. Begin to see, feel, and experience how proud of yourself you will feel when you've completed this task, staying focused and following it through all the way to the finish. Notice how good that feels, and allow those pleasant feelings, those pleasant sensations to gently expand and deepen throughout your body and throughout your mind. The truth is, you are highly competent. The truth is, you are fully capable. You have the ability to go into the next part of your day feeling safe, calm, and centered, powerfully focused, allowing all of those pleasant sensations to expand and deepen through your body. You've already taken the first step. It's safe to take the next step. In a moment, you'll open your eyes, feeling refreshed, energized, ready, and eager to focus and follow through. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. Move your fingers and your toes, allowing some energy to return to your body. Go ahead and stretch your arms all the way out, bringing even more energy and movement back into your body. Good. Take another deep breath in. And now gently open your eyes. Your time is now. You're ready for the next step. Your mind is clear, calm, and powerfully focused.